Hi, welcome to RB Kids Corner. Today's question is, can water break rocks?
No idea. No idea.
No problem. Let me explain you. Yes, water can break rocks. When water enters cracks in rocks, it expands those cracks. As the water freezes and expands, it further increases those gaps. The repeated freezing can cause the rocks to break apart. Next, do you know why birds have different beaks?
No. Yes. No idea.
No problem, I will tell. Hawks, kites, eagles have hooked beaks. They are birds of prey and their beaks are best suited to tear pieces of flesh from their prey. Look closely at a parrot, a sparrow, and a duck, and you will notice that they have very different beaks. The type of beak a bird has depends on the kind of food it eats. Most birds eat a limited variety of foods, and their beaks appear to have been specially designed for it. The parrot's beak is best for eating fruits and cracking open seeds. The duck's beak is broad and flat to help it strain small food particles from the water. The sparrow's conical beak is perfect for feeding on seeds and berries. The next time you see a bird, look carefully at its beak and try to decide the kind of food it eats. Next, have you heard about ostrich?
Yes.
Yes!
Can ostrich fly?
Yes. No.
Confused?
Yes.
Let me explain you. Ostrich cannot fly. It is the largest flightless bird in the world. Ostrich is found in parts of Africa. Ostrich is around 6 to 8 feet tall and it weighs 130 to 180 kilograms. The long neck of ostrich gives it the ability to see a greater distance across the plains. It has two-toed feet that allows it to run fast and escapes from predators.
Thank you so much.
Yay!
See you in the next video. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.